of course, I want to share with you a practice that I invite you to practice at least for the next months. And because January is going to be, you know, the first month is like a synthesis of the whole year, and especially the first 12 days. I like each day 1 month of the year significant and a symbol of what the year will be for you. So it's very important to set your energy for this year through this first month. And that was the sense of the practice I want to invite you to share. So it's about opening your channel. So it's going to be a four-step practice. The first meditation, you're going to use these 2 fingers. You remember it's the 2 teachers of time and Saturn and Jupiter. So they're going to be horizontal, a little bit above the horizon, and you have the right palm up and the left palm down. And the mudra is lock the 2 pinky and ring finger and straight Saturn and Jupiter. Horizontal on the side and a little bit on the back. So it pulls on the shoulder blade and it opens the chest. It's going to be with pranayama. So you close the eyes and focus on the tip of the nose and open your channel, central channel. You sit very straight, spine straight. You inhale very deep, very slow and deep. And the exhale, you repeat 8 times, powerful whispering, Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. And you're going to repeat that 8 times on the exhale. Waheguru, 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 8 times on the exhale. So this is, and you should not move an inch. So you establish yourself, stretch your arms out, the right palm up, the left palm down. So you connect to the, it's like receiving energy from the heaven and receiving energy from the earth. And through your spine, let the Ida Pingala activate it and activate your Kundalini directly. Open your heart. Focus on the third eye and repeat this mantra. Inhale deeply, 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 and then repeat 8 times Waheguru, 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 Waheguru on the exhale. So that's 11 minutes. And then you're going to work on blessing. So what I was saying, that if you have to choose and decide, come out of karmic living and bless your destiny and choose for timeless destiny. So you're gonna put your thumbs together, fingers together, and straight your arms about 30 degrees above the horizon. In front of you, stretch, and the elbows are totally stretched. Bring your arms like this. And now you inhale through the nose in 16 steps. So you go like wah, 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 guru, 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 wah, 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 guru, 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 guru. 16. Inhaling. And then you exhale. You don't need to fully whistle, but you have to push the air through the puckle mouth powerfully. Almost whistling, but it has to be long and deep exhale. And through this exhaling, you will bless the earth. You bless everything, everything that is in your mirror, that is in your reality, whatever people wants to do with you, for you, around you, whatever you intend to do, whatever works or do not work. Bless it. Send your approval, send your acceptance, send your blessing and your love. And your blessing will work. Is more you bless the reality, more you bless the mirror, more this mirror will mirror you your blessing. You understand? This is like mirror works as a mirror. So if you bless your reality as it is, you will receive that blessing back to you. So 9 minutes, that second posture, arms up 30 degrees above the horizon, thumbs touch and fingers touch, stretch your arms, elbows stretched. Inhale, 16 stroke, exhale, powerfully through the mouth, long, deep exhale, and then inhale, fully inhale in 16 stroke, then long, long exhale, blessing your karma, all the energy that is not aligned, all the resistance you face, all the interaction that happen in your reality, just bless, send your love and acceptance. This is first was open your channel, open to receive. Second is accept what you have received, what you have manifested. And then the third one is stand by yourself. So you're gonna make your right palm fingers together, facing front, hands on the side of the shoulder, and your left hand on your navel, exactly on your navel. And you're gonna repeat like whispering powerfully, har, har. It's like the har, but you don't pronounce it loudly. You go with whispering from the navel. Har, 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 har. Mostly you drop your lower jaw and you move with the tongue that hits the palate, and the powerful whisper that is rhythmic, rhythmic, rhythmic. And you go another 9 minutes. That is be what you want to be. This is empowering your decision, your choices. You remember all the 4 pillars? So this is self-empowering and honoring your decision, your choices, what you want to be, what you want to manifest. You want to be, to walk tall. You want to bless people. You want to be kind. You want to be generous, compassionate. You want to be caring. And then the universe will be the same, mirroring you, what you want to be. So, and you need to decide and stand for it, and then affirm your decision, confirm your decision through time and space. You're gonna be there wanting what you want. For 9 minutes, and you keep that posture the same, the left palm on your navel, the right palm facing forward, and now you're gonna close your eyes and totally listen to Ardas Bai. You can put it in the background, any tune you know about Ardas Bai, Amardas Guru, Amardas Guru, Ardas Bai, Ramdas Guru, Ramdas Guru, Ramdas Guru, such is saying. That is attitude of gratitude. The attitude of prayer is receiving deeply from your heart that all that comes to you is just a blessing. And that's the cup of acceptance, the cup of totally embracing what is with all your love and full consciousness and awareness. So Ardas Bai, you put it in the background, you stay in this posture, you close your eyes, open your heart, and then practice what we call gratitude. So any situation, whatever it has been, challenging or not, supporting people who have been supporting and inspiring you, or having a healing relationship with you and uplifting you, or people you have uplifted. Just be grateful for so many situations where you have been interacting, uplifting yourself and inspiring others, of be inspired and uplifted by others. Be grateful for all this situation, whatever they have been, challenging or not, even your enemies, you can be grateful for what they have been manifesting, the resistance you have been aware of from them, and how it makes you grow and expand. So gratitude in all level, all dimension, all direction. Through that, listening, Ardas Bai, Amadas Guru, and this is you do for 7 minutes. So I recapitulate the practice. The first posture is horizontal, stretching out, open your heart and open your central channel with the repetition of Waiguru, 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 Waiguru 8 times on the exhale. The second is bless your karma and bless all the unaligned energies so they transform and you can move out of karmic circumstances and walk the path of your destiny and your higher destination. And bless whatever is in your environment, in your mirror, bless all there is. And then the third one is empower yourself with your decision and honoring your decision and keeping up through the time with a har. And finally for 9 minutes again. And the last one, 7 minutes, stay in the same posture. And now you breathe very slow, long and deep, listening to Ardas Bai and letting come to you all circumstance for which you can be grateful. And express your gratitude to people, to faces, to circumstances, and to the source of universe that brought you all these circumstances for you to grow and expand. So this is a very, very amazing practice to do for this first month of January, where you can face the time, reset your intention, and start new for the next decade.